All right. It's Brian Farrell, and I'm back. So today we're going to just go ahead and tell you another quick update, show you some of the ways I've been showing you how to make the passive income, get that crypto we got to get here in 2022. And we're going to do a quick follow-up video for what we showed you before, show where we are today, and show you what's working, and get moving right along. All right. But before we get to the fun stuff, let's take care of a little bit of business. Now, I am not your financial advisor, and it's not financial advice. Everything you do in life, offline and online, is a risk. Do your own due diligence and accept your own risk for your own actions. Seek financial advice from a professional regarding your own financial situation. And most importantly, never spend money you cannot afford to lose. Got it? Cool. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and talk about a video I made a few days ago here called CoinPot. Now, CoinPot is a free website that you can actually use to make crypto straight from your computer or your phone, preferably on your computer. I think it's going to be a little bit easier for you to do, and it's very simple to do. You just need an email address to get started, and you can take advantage of earning free money right here from this free website. No referrals required, but of course, once you see how easy it is, you're going to want to share it with other people. And in this video right here I made a few days ago, I showed you exactly how to earn the free crypto every 5 minutes. And today we're going to do a follow-up to that video. I'm going to show you withdrawal proof and show you that this free site is paying out, and we can actually make free Bitcoin without having to spend a dime. Okay, just a few clicks and we are on our way. All right, so this is the video that I showed you a few days ago. Showed you how to get set up with the CoinPot website. Like I said, all you need is an email address, preferably Gmail would be best. You're going to create a username, you're going to create a password, and you're going to get started earning right away. Okay, take a few actions, do a few clicks as I described in this video, and you can go ahead and start earning right away. Okay, now below this video will be the link to my tutorial video on CoinPot, so you can check that out at your own leisure. Now let's go ahead and jump back over to the CoinPot site as it's in right now, because I did a withdrawal earlier today, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the results of that withdrawal. So real quick, before we get into the withdrawal, let's go ahead and jump into the dashboard, and let's see where we are. So account balance is down, it's 55 coins. And we'll go ahead and do a real quick click in for the faucet. Lost my words there. But we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna go click on the faucet real quick here. Show you again how easy this is to get paid right here from just a few clicks. Just wait a few seconds here, get our click on, boom. Go ahead, answer the caption, make sure we're a real person, no bots allowed, boom. Upside down picture, boom. Go ahead and take advantage of the boost, boom, and boom. Got our coins just like that. Go ahead and answer the little caption right here. Make sure we are not doing anything fraudulent, boom, and we are back in. Now, you don't want to use any kind of VPNs on this site. I do use VPNs pretty commonly with anything I do in crypto, and I suggest you do so as well. If you want to use a VPN, I have a link below this video to get a VPN that I think is a really highly powerful VPN that you can get very inexpensively. But on this particular site, do not use a VPN, because you will get banned and you'll give up earning your free money. All right, so earlier today I went ahead and did a video. I did a withdrawal, and I showed exactly how to get paid out here from CoinPot. Now, if you click on the withdrawal option here, you're going to see that it tells you exactly what you need. Your email verification is a must to withdraw. You select your payment method, select the currency for the chosen method, and the amount you want to withdraw. You'll then see the equivalent next to the amount. Those rates may change until your withdrawal is processed. You type in the address you want to withdraw to, click on the withdraw button, and double check your information and click confirm. Now, if you follow these steps, just like they're written out right here, you're going to get paid. If you follow the video I showed you earlier on how to actually get to the CoinPot all set up, my tutorial right here, you're going to get paid. So if you just follow some easy directions, take a little bit of action, you're going to get paid. So let me show you exactly how I got paid. All right, so check this out. So earlier I went in and I decided to go ahead and choose the withdrawal option, and I decided I want to get paid out in Bitcoin, right? Now, there is a minimum amount to withdraw. You have at least 1,000 coins to withdraw, and the equivalent at that time was I had 8,000 coins to withdraw. and that equivalents to this little amount of BTC right here. Okay, I decided I wanted to draw the faucet pay because it said faucet pay withdrawals are instant. Okay, you don't have to wait for any kind of confirmation. You're just going to get your money like that, right? You just put in your faucet pay email address. If you don't have a faucet pay account, below this video will be a link to set up a faucet pay as well. That way you can cash out any of these little faucets. You can go ahead and get sent to faucet pay instantly. And like I said, there is no fee. All right. So I went ahead, put in my info, and then I verified my info again. Said yes, I want my wallet. It's going to be the faucet pay wallet. I'm going to get Bitcoin. I have this many coins to cash in. This amount of Bitcoin I'm going to receive. All right. Cool. So then I went ahead, clicked on, and said, good job. 8,192 coins have been sent to your account. Now, you're all probably wondering, well, did it actually pay out? Let's go ahead and take a look at faucet pay. So we'll jump up to faucet pay, and oh, did you know that you can earn reward points from faucet pay? So if you log in consecutively to the faucet pay website, each day you log in consecutively, you earn reward points. Those reward points can be used then later to exchange for various things right here on the faucet pay website. All right, so take advantage. Like I said, there's free rewards, free money all around. Take advantage, get your money, get your money. So once you get your free rewards cashed in, go ahead and you click yes, I like my free rewards. And let's go ahead and let's scroll down here. And there we have it. CoinPot paid out 0.000218 Bitcoin today, February 2nd, 2022. So that's 02/02/22. Got paid and just instantly to my faucet pay account. So, question is pot paying? Answer, yes, CoinPot's paying. All right. So, if you want to get paid free Bitcoin for doing some simple tasks like clicking a faucet, like clicking on some little icons, and just very simple stuff, no referrals needed, no money required, you can get paid too. All you gotta do is take a little bit of action, and you'll get the results. All right. Now, the other day I did go ahead and do another video about Cointiply, another one of my favorite free websites to make free Bitcoin, and I did a withdrawal on that website the other day, and now I just want to kind of follow up with you the results of that withdrawal request. As you see right here, 0.0023173 Bitcoin was actually withdrawn, and I sent it to my wallet address, my exchange, where I plan on using that money, which was free to me. I'm going to use that money to go ahead and multiply and make more money, okay, make more Bitcoin. And that's what you got to do. Just you make your free Bitcoin, and you take it and you flip it. More Bitcoin, flip that, do it again, over and over, rinse and repeat. Get paid, get paid, get paid. Let's go ahead and jump over here to the website and see whether that came through. And we'll jump over here, boom, and we'll see here. Here's my transactions, my transaction history, and my trading account, which is going to be actually Margex. That's where I like to go ahead and do my trading, and that's where I can turn this Bitcoin and other Tron and Bitcoin, whatever. I can flip that into more coins, right? So it's all about getting paid, complete a transaction, get these coins. It's 2022, you gotta get paid. Crypto is the way of the future. Go ahead and get paid now, so when the prices go up, you get increase in value right there, and just go ahead and find different ways to make that free money work for you. All right, so below this video, you see the links to everything I talked about today. That's going to be CoinPot tutorial and also Cointiply. Go ahead, get your money, get started, like this video, subscribe, smash the bell icon, and comment below the video. Let me know how you get paid in 2022, and let's get paid together. With that, it's Brian Farrell signing out.